Hey lovely people, how are we all doing? I hope that you were able to enjoy a bit of the sunshine and the warmer spring weather today. We dipped our faces out into it earlier and it was really nice. It's great when things are better than usual. And speaking of better than usual, guess what came today? Unexpectedly, hence why I'm not fully made up and ready. My Degustabox, I was like, what are you doing here today? I wasn't expecting you for another 3 days. I thought, hey, if it's here, I better do a video on it and show you guys what it's all about. And plus, I'm sure there's some super tasty treats inside. And I needed to get hold of them and put them in my face. So, shall we just get on with it? If you want to find out what is in April's Degustabox, then I'd love it if you could give me a big old thumbs up. Let me know you enjoy these videos. Of course, you can subscribe to my channel and join the Highdef family. If you want, you can hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and share this video because everyone wants to find out what's in this Degustabox, don't they? Okay, let's get into the video. If you don't know, Degustabox is a monthly subscription box which has everything edible. It has snacks, it has drinks, it has treats, it has things to make your main meal with, all kinds of things, including usually something weird to drink. And it costs £12.99 a month. You can get your first box for a mere £7.99 if you use this code, which I will put on screen. But of course you don't have to, but as I always say, don't pay full price if you don't have to. I have got this box for £7.99 because last month I had a damaged item in my box and they have actually replaced that item, which was this, Mr. Lee's noodles. This time I got Dragonfire vegetables. Last one was like a beef one. This isn't in everyone's box because this is a replacement for last month. But we have got loads of goodies. I'm excited. So first we have this. And it's not upside down. It's because they put the happy down upside down. Just to be funny. And it is lychee, guava and chili refreshing alcoholic premix. 330ml can. All natural flavours. 44 calories per 100 ml. 0 preservatives. Gluten-free. Hand blended. Fancy, eh? It says it's an exhilarating concoction of fresh lychee and guava crafted to perfection. The sparkling body of lychee reveals a flavour, fresh and sweet, caressing the oriental aromas of luscious guava. A dash of chili creates the perfect seduction. Welcome to the flavour adventure. Serve thrilled. Pour over ice, sip from a straw, or enjoy straight chilled. It actually says it. Serve thrilled. You see? I'm not even making it up. Now these are priced at £2 and I happen to know that they're all very good because husband, because you know I don't really drink, husband has been trying out the Happy Down cocktails. This is their raspberry and pomegranate one, and he's also tried the other one which you could get because there is a choice of 3. It's raspberry and pomegranate, the lychee one, or it's cucumber and something. It might be cucumber and mint, I think it is, or cucumber and lemon, one of the two, something like that. And he's tried all of them because we've had several offers to get these for 50p or for free over the last few months, and you can get them in Tesco and they're on the 4 cans for £6 or something like that. So you can get these right now. I've never seen this one before though. So husband was like, oh my goodness, a new one of those to try. I can't wait, I'm so excited. So we know this is good and I would recommend it. All the flavours so far have gone down well. And they're kind of dangerous actually because they taste nice, they're easy to drink. But yeah, so really happy to have this. It says Happy Down craft cocktails are a range of award-winning pre-mixed drinks that pair 2 premium adult-oriented fruit flavours further infused with a herb or spice to create that perfect crafted alcoholic refreshment. 4% ABV. They are made with all natural flavours, have 0 preservatives, are gluten-free, vegan-friendly and have no added sugar. Currently available in all large format Tesco stores across the UK. That's what I said. Okay, what have we got? Trek Coconut, no, I can't read today. Trek Cocoa Peanut Peak Protein Energy Chunks. High protein fruit, peanut, oat and crunch chunks. Nature is powder. Nature is power, not powder. Oh my days. And they look like this. There's 2 of these and they're £1.15 each. Trek chunks are deliciously different. Instead of relying on mysterious additives and syrups, Trek chunks are packed with precise cold-pressed balance of powerful whole foods, delivered sustained energy when you need it most. They're vegan, gluten-free and 1 of your 5 a day. And they're dairy-free as well. I'm not going to try these because I don't like nuts, so I wouldn't like them anyway, but I'm sure husband will be interested. There's 2 flavours though. The other flavour is Trek Toffee Triumph, which is high protein fruit, nut, oat and crunch chunks again, but toffee flavour, I guess. And it looks like that. Again, it's gluten and dairy free. It's 1 of your 5 a day. It's vegan, but it's all full of nuts. So what shall I find for myself? Well, not this. I'm such a misog, aren't I? So we all know what this is. Lucozade Energy orange flavour. This is £1.10. Discover the great taste of Lucozade Energy Orange in the moment when you need it most. Whatever your day may hold, remember your energy beats everything. Lucozade Energy is the best served chilled, so put your bottle in the fridge for maximum great taste. I think husband does like this, so it's not going to go to waste. This is finely chopped tomatoes by a company called Mutti. So just tin tomatoes, normal size. 100% certified Italian. Only Italian tomatoes, red, sweet, ripe and free of yellow and green parts. That's why finely chopped tomatoes are different from the first glance. Thick, inviting and fragrant. The pleasure continues with the first taste. All the delicate flavour of fresh tomatoes packed within hours of harvesting. And 400-gram can. It's £1. It says winners of the prestigious Great Taste Award. Only Italian tomatoes. I said all that. Blah, 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 blah. Taste the quality, all the delicate flavour of fresh tomatoes. Can't go wrong with a tin of tomatoes, can you? You can use them in all kinds of things. Look, bloody hell, it's heavy. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to put this down. Nut Avita. It's 97% less sugar. It's a hazelnut spread with sweeteners. Hazelnut spread with sweeteners. Sweetened with Natvia, naturally sourced. It's 600 grams. It's palm oil free, which is great. So it says it's low sugar. It's 1.7% sugar compared to other leading brands that are 52% sugar in total. No palm oil, and other leading brands are 23% palm oil. It says orangutans and Sumatran tigers are some of the most beautiful animals in the rainforest. They are being driven to extinction mainly due to the destruction of their rainforest habitat for agriculture, primarily palm oil production. We can make a difference. The Orangutan Alliance believes no palm oil is the best policy to protect those animals and our rainforest. Available at Whole Foods, Ocado, Amazon.co.uk. This is £7.45. That's just for the glass jar, I think. This looks like my weird drink of the box because there's always one every month. What is it? Juicy Fuel Cola. All natural, 1 of your 5 a day. Cherry flavoured. Cola fruit juice drink, carbonated, best served chilled. So it looks like this. Juicy Fuel Cola is £2. It's made from entirely natural ingredients with no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners and no preservatives, and remarkably 1 of your 5 a day. So you could either get cherry flavour or blueberry flavour. If this was colder I would drink it, but I want to give it its best chance of being amazing, so it needs to be ice cold, I guess. It's a 250ml can. And it's £2. It's quite a lot, isn't it? It would need to be amazing, to be honest. I mean, I know it's supposed to be natural, it's supposed to be 1 a day, but I'm not sure I'd pay £2 for that. Oh, A2 milk. I'm happy about this because I always like to have some milk that I can just keep in my cupboard for emergencies. And this is going to be it. Long life semi-skim cow's milk. Not all cow's milk is the same. A2 milk is free from the A1 proteins found in regular cow's milk that can trigger symptoms of milk intolerance in many. We select cows that naturally produce only the easy to digest A2 protein in their milk. A2 milk is cow's milk that's naturally gentle on sensitive tummies, nothing added, nothing taken away. That's worth £1.50. Now you get £1.50 worth special cow's milk, and it's a litre, or you get 250ml can of Coca-Cola for £2. I know which I would pick. Leo Bites or Lio Bites, strawberry and banana smoothie bites, 100% natural fruit crisps, 1 of your 5 a day, no added sugar, vegan and gluten free. How can Leo Bites be so natural yet so delicious? We pick the sweetest fruit in season and freeze dry to retain all the goodness. They're suitable for home baking and cake decorations. You can add them to your cereal, retains all the vitamins, high in fibre. It includes apple puree, banana puree, strawberries, black carrot juice, concentrate. They like to be eaten as soon as you open them. So shall I try them now? They're £2.35 for a 16-gram packet. Surely not. £2.35. £2.35 for this. Well, they better taste amazing. Okay, so I guess everything's made into a smoothie and then it's dried in these shapes. I overall get banana, but I do actually get apple and I do get strawberry. So that's quite impressive because sometimes I have this kind of thing and I think, oh, it doesn't even taste what it's meant to taste of. Those are alright actually. I will eat the rest of these happily. They do taste like a smoothie bite. For £2.35? Wow. Kids and grown-ups love it so, the happy world of Haribo. Well, we all know Haribo giant straws, or don't we? Must do. They're not even like low sugar or anything. Apparently there's 5 portions in this bag. At £1.29, giant in flavour and in size, is Haribo Giant Straws, a traditional pick and mix treat that is so popular it now has its own sharing and pocket-sized packs. Strawberry shaped and flavoured, boasting its own unique texture, Giant Straws is also perfect for vegetarians. 2 sweets is a portion. In case anyone wanted to know. Idahoan? Is that how you say that? Perfect mash. Real potatoes grown in the heart of Idaho, America's potato state, and it's garlic flavoured. Idaho is blessed with rich volcanic soil and clear mountain water, ideal for potato growers. With fluffy texture and a touch of seasoning, our Idahoan mash is perfect for potato lovers. Just add boiling water. So it's fancy smash. Perfect in 1 minute, it says. It's suitable for vegetarians. It's £1.50, GM free, gluten free. Find us in the tinned veg aisle. I will definitely give that a go. From the Food Doctor, and it says the power of positive nutrition, full of beans protein mix, a roasted mix of goodness that will liven up your daily snacking. High fibre, high protein. Looks like this. It's a mix of roasted and salted beans, peas and corn kernels, broad beans, soya beans, black soya beans, peas, corn kernels, sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, salt. And the other one is smoking endame mix, roasted corn and endame beans sprinkled with Hebridean oak smoked seaweed and roasted seasoned broad beans. These are £1 each. The Food Doctor full of beans protein mix and smoky endame mix make the perfect mid-morning snacks as they contain a blend of corn and beans which are high in fibre and a good source of protein that will keep you going until lunch. Milky Bar Wowsums, white chocolate with crispy oat cereal and a creamy tasting centre. Ooh, now this looks like up my street. I love white chocolate and I love Milky Bar. They're 55p each. Milky Bar Wowsums have arrived to bring the fun with 30% less sugar than similar chocolate products and no artificial sweeteners, colours, flavours or preservatives. With simply 100% white chocolate or white and milk chocolate filled with creamy tasting centre and crispy oat cereal. So this is the milk and white chocolate one. There's a card about it and it says it's gluten-free, no artificial sweeteners, 95 calories in an 18-gram bar. It's like this on the inside. I've got to try this. Nice. It's not as good as regular Milky Bar chocolate. I don't know if it's because it's got other stuff mixed in or because it's got less sugar. Doesn't taste quite the same. It's definitely passable. Like if you're a kid, or even me, I wasn't going to eat it. I think if you're a kid, you wouldn't really notice the difference that much. Oh, I've just found this at the bottom for Leo Bites as well. It's a discount code. If anyone wants to use that, go ahead. What is this? Nick's Kex Bar. A Swedish mission to improve the world of snacks. No added sugar, delicious chocolate wafer. Join our fight on sugar. It's £1.20. Nick's Kex Bar is a crispy chocolate wafer with vanilla cream covered in thick, delicious milk chocolate. We never add sugar in our products, not now, not ever. Join our fight on sugar at nix.se. Find our products on amazon.co.uk and use the voucher code Degusta1 in capitals for 20% discount. It's kind of broken, so that's fine. It looks like this inside. It tastes okay. It reminds me of a cross between kind of like a digestive biscuit and something with a wafer. What kind of biscuits have wafers in them? Like a caramel thing without the caramel? I can't even think. I can't think. Has sweetener in it. That's not bad actually. That's not going to be my favourite, but I think if you're having a little chocolate craving, you could definitely have a nibble on that and feel better. It's 195 calories. But considering it's quite a big bar, that's a decent snack size. actually kind of impressed with that. Last but not least, we have this. It's the second product from Mutti or Mutti or whatever. It is passata, basically. It looks like a really thin passata. Not in a bad way, I just mean really like finely pressed. Not a chunky passata, you know, you can get different types. It's £1.40. It says it's perfect for dishes with reduced cooking times and can enhance pasta sauces, eggs and meat. The passata retains its bright red colour, velvety texture and sweet flavour. Can't go wrong with passata either. I like that. I had a little add up and this month's box comes to £28.19. And don't forget, the box cost me only £7.99 and would cost most people £12.99, so that is an awesome saving, more than double the cost and loads of great things. Is there anything I don't like? Well, those bean protein mix things, we're probably not going to eat them, but everything else I think we will eat. Some of it is more husband orientated than me, but that's okay. It's not anyone's fault that I don't drink, or I don't like nuts, or I don't like Lucozade. But fortunately husband does like all those things. I'm very excited about my Milky Bars. I'm looking forward to tasting that cola, and yeah, I think this is another awesome box. Also, you might have noticed on the back of here it's got some recipes, so you can use the passata with one and the tin tomatoes with another. It's a aubergine parmigiana and a roasted ratatouille pasta recipe, so it gives you this as well. I don't know why anyone wouldn't get Degustabox, to be honest, because it's so fun. It's a monthly delicious treat. There's always something in it that you like, and you always get back more than the cost of the box. And okay, maybe there's a few things you wouldn't have naturally gravitated towards, but this is how you find new products and try new flavours. So all I have to say is thank you so much for watching this month's Degustabox. I hope that you enjoyed it and it was helpful in finding out about what is inside. Let me know down below what you think of the contents. Would you buy it? Is there anything you're excited about? Do you think that this box is a good box for the month, or would you say, nah, I'll give it a swerve? I'd love to hear everything that you have to say. But until you see me again, I hope that you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys!